I'm at about mile 1.8 for my urban mountain bike ride in the New Orleans area on September 8th, 2012. I'm aimed to ride down to a canal bank that I haven't ridden before, and it'll take me about 7 or 8 minutes to get there probably. This is the canal bank down which I'm going to ride, and assuming that no felled trees block my way, I think I can ride along its bank for at least a mile or so. In this short grass it's pretty easy riding, but when I have to break down to the taller grass it's not going to be so easy. I'll probably gear down a little bit more. At this very moment I'm at 4 miles an hour, which is none too fast. Ho! Lost it there for a second. That's the way I want to go. Hurricane Isaac down tree right there. I can go around it with no problem. So, here we go. Off the bike and on the feet. Up. Yeah, looks pretty level down there. I think I'm going to be able to ride for a little while longer, as provided I take it slow going down the bank. Yeah, I almost wish I had my GPS. I'm not exactly sure where I am. I have a general idea. I know that if I went to my left, which is east, I'd eventually get to General de Gaulle, so I'm not really worried or anything. I'm still on the canal bank at about mile 3.6 of my ride. A lot of people might wonder if these canals support life and like wildlife, so to speak, and the answer is yes, they certainly do. Not necessarily right here, because this canal bank is concrete. It was the canal itself is being contained by concrete, but elsewhere where the canal banks are earth and grass, they certainly do. As you saw from one of my older videos, we saw an alligator. There are turtles by the thousands. I've seen 3 or 4 different kinds of fish, including largemouth bass, and I just saw 2 kinds of cranes up ahead in the canal up there. Plus I've seen just mallard ducks before too. So here we go up the canal bank. If I don't fall off. Oh, gotta walk. I'm glad to be riding on pavement for a little while. I like it a lot better. I know where I am currently, but I don't know how fast I'm going or how far I've ridden, because my bike computer stopped working, and I may actually ride over to my bike shop to see if they can make an adjustment to it, or either that or tell me that it's just broken and I'll have to replace it. I'm on pavement about 2 miles from my bike shop, maybe a little less, and it's easy riding right here on a street which does not have too many motorists right now. Oddly enough, I jiggled my bike computer and it started working again, but as I was trying to tighten the clamp that holds it to the handlebars, the clamp broke. So I'm going to go to my bike shop anyway, which is less than a mile away, I think. I just finished my visit to the bike shop, and I think this is what happened to my computer. When I fell back on the canal bank some time ago, the device itself became dislodged from the clamp, and it the two contacts between the wire and the computer were no longer making contact. So at that point, it wasn't reading the spinning of the wheel, it was just a clock. Parish, Terrytown, I guess. I'm riding south along the bank of some canal whose name I do not know. They do have names and numbers, but I don't know what this one is. Sure is wide though, it carries a lot of water. Riding is easy at this bridge right up here. I'm going to get back to paved surfaces, which is good. How you doing? Junk food. Now that I've refueled on junk food, I have about 4.5 miles to get home. Most of it will be paved. Some of it will be like this. Closing out this bike ride on Saturday, September 8th, 2012 in the New Orleans area. I think I went about 13 miles and was gone for maybe an hour and a half or so. It was fun. I enjoyed it. This is Tom Nally, and this bike ride's in the books.